Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa has a beautiful red snapper fish with me. This is actually half piece, but the whole piece is probably like 1.6, 1.7 kg. So this is coming to about 600-700 grams with after you remove the head. Actually, the head was there just now, but initially my plan is to steam it, but then my daughter was asking me, can I fry the fish for her or not? So in order to make sure my fish fit into the frying pan, I have to remove the head. Okay, so this is probably like 600-700 gram left lah. When I bought this fish, I already asked the seller to butterfly cut for me. So this is actually half of it, as you can see from here. Yeah. Now, so like I mentioned, I'm going to fry it. And then I'm going to make use of some fried ginger and ginger oil, which I made yesterday, to make a very simple but very flavorful fried fish sauce later. And I have some premium light soya sauce, and we have some fine salt here. Right, so let's quickly prep the fish. Let's prep the fish. So first of all, of course, you need to clean the fish and then make few slits on the fish body here. And I'm going to marinate it with fine salt. Right, then we can actually set it aside. Right, you know your oil is ready the moment you see smokes coming out from the oil, which is called smoking point, yeah, which is around at least 180 degrees Celsius. Then make sure your fish is wipe dry. Put in the fish, it's just nice. And that's the reason why I bought this particular pan, deeper pan, because it is 28 centimeters, just nice for frying fish. So the first rule, of course, is you only put in the fish when it is smoking point. After that, second rule, don't keep on flipping it. Leave the fish to allow the bottom surface to form the crust. Then only you flip it over, which will probably take about 2-3 minutes. Right, this is after about 3 minutes. Okay, it doesn't stick. Let's slowly flip the fish over. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Look at the beautiful golden brown. Which is what I always looking for. Beautiful golden brown color for frying fish. And I have a bad habit of over frying my fish because I like it to be more char. Yeah. So I'll give the other side another 2 more minutes, then it is basically almost there. So this is after another 2 more minutes. And take one more round. Oh. Ooh, look at the beautiful char. So nice. Basically, the fish is is done. I just want to get the brown color that I'm looking for. Right, and you want to get ready an oil absorbing paper at the side, and we shall move this over to the oil absorbing paper. So here's my kitchen towel. I'm resting the fish for a couple of minutes, then I'll move it over to the serving plate. And let's go and make the sauce very quickly. Saucepan, my fried ginger oil. This is super easy to make, yeah? Just fry the ginger, blended ginger, that's all. Okay. Light soy sauce, premium light soy sauce. And your beautiful fried fish sauce is ready. Right, so here's my very simple pan fry. Actually, this is called shallow fry. Chinese say 半煎炸. It is not deep fry. You use more oil than pan fry, and you use lesser oil than deep fry. This is 半煎炸, shallow fry. So here's how simple you can do this. Fry your red snapper at home. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I hope you are happy to see this dish. I'm sure my daughter will love it. Bye bye.